In this video, I'm going to explain to you how I made over $600 in a 24-hour period using Facebook Instant Articles. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel, we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So I wanted to show you this video to show you what's possible using Facebook, that it is indeed possible to make money using Facebook Instant Articles and also the Facebook video monetization. Now, if you don't know what Facebook Instant Articles is all about, go ahead and watch this video. It'll give you a better understanding on how it works, how you can apply, and how you can qualify for monetization using Facebook. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I have multiple Facebook pages. I also have multiple blogs that allow me to just hire other people, create the content, and then that content is shared on those Facebook pages. And from there, I'm able to monetize that traffic using Facebook Instant Articles and Google Adsense. So the other day I had one of my best days so far. It was a little bit over $600 in a single day, in a 24-hour period. And that was done because one story actually went viral, and that story had a lot of people sharing that story, and it drove a lot of traffic to that specific story. And at the end, I received a lot of traffic. Typically on a month-to-month basis, I'm able to generate over 1 million visitors per month on a single blog. But in this case, I was able to get over 100,000 visitors in a single day. So I want to tell you the process that I typically use that allows me to make even more money when I'm able to identify stories that actually went viral, and how I actually continue to make money over the next few hours because of those stories. Now, before I get into the video, be sure to also download my free affiliate marketing guide in the description below. It's completely free. It'll show you exactly how you can actually open a Facebook page, start your own blog, or even make money with affiliate marketing. And again, it's completely free. You have nothing to lose. So this wasn't actually my biggest day. I had my biggest day last year with over $900 earned in a single day using Facebook Instant Articles. And that was just a big news day. And I was able to generate just hundreds of thousands of people to my blog, and that allowed me to make money with Facebook Instant Articles. Now, what I'm going to show you in this video is that if you're using Facebook Instant Articles right now, or if you have a blog and you're trying to make money with Facebook Instant Articles or Google AdSense or anything like that, I'm going to tell you my one trick that allows me to just duplicate my earnings in a 24-hour period. So with Facebook Instant Articles, how you make money is if you have an article that's 300 words, typically Facebook will place 1 to 2 Facebook ads inside of that article. So that means you make 2 impressions for every visit. That's keeping in mind that some people will not read the entire article, so you might end up with 1.5 impressions for every single visitor. The more ads you have on your articles, the more likely you are to get more impressions. So if you have a 700-word article with 5 ads, with 5 Facebook ads, you might get 4 or 5 impressions for every single visit. What we typically do is we start creating the content, and we don't know what's going to go viral. So what we do is we create the content with 300 words, we post it on the Facebook pages. So if the article actually goes viral and it starts getting a lot of traffic, we go back to that article and start adding more content that includes pictures and videos and more text, to a point where we have 700, 800 words in that article. What happens is Facebook will actually place more ads inside of that article. So now that article that's been getting just 1 or 2 impressions, it's now getting 4, 5, 6 impressions for every single visitor. What happened is we went back, we start adding more content, pictures, emails, and text. We expanded that article into getting 5, 6 impressions, and that basically turned into a lot of money. Just by simply doing that, just by adding more content to the exact same articles that was going viral, allow me to pull even more impressions from that same article, and that turned into hundreds of thousands of new impressions that we actually weren't getting before. As a result, we got, as you can see, over $600 in a single day of earnings from Facebook Instant Articles. And this is a simple little tip that you can apply to your own articles on Facebook Instant if you have it. If you don't have it, again, download my free affiliate marketing guide. It'll show you how you can get started with Facebook Instant Articles, or just watch some of my videos that explain the entire process. In the end, if you want to make even more money with that same article, because that article is just exploding and people are reading it and sharing it and all that, what you can do is use Facebook ads to just boost that article for just 2 to 3 days with a small budget of $25 to $50 per day. And that's going to help it even go out to even more people. And that's going to help you make even more money, because for every single visitor now, you have 4 or 5 impressions. Why is it that you can make money like this with Facebook Instant Articles? Well, the difference between that and Google AdSense is that with Google AdSense, you get paid per click. With Facebook, you get paid for impressions. So the more people that view the ads, the more likely you are to make money. You don't get paid by how many people actually click on those ads, but you get paid by how many people actually view the ads, whether they click on it or not. This is why Facebook Instant Articles is what I believe one of the best ways to monetize your traffic. If you're not selling affiliate products or your own product, this is just one of the best ways to make money, because you're not depending on how many people actually click, just on how much traffic you can generate using Facebook. So guys, this was just a quick video to give you a golden tip that has helped me before to get to a point where I can take one article that's performing really well and take it to a point where it can generate an extra $200, $300, $400 more just by adding more content and more text to that same article. So I really do hope that this video helped you. Thank you very much for watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel. I post videos like this every single week with the intention of helping you guys make more money. So like the video, comment if you have any questions below, and I'll see you on my next video.